Student, in your chemistry portion, the first chapter is chemical reactions and equations. Let us now discuss about chemical reaction. The transformation of chemical substance into another chemical substance is known as chemical reaction. That means the conversion of one chemical substance into another chemical substance. For example, roasting of iron, setting of milk into curd, digestion of food, respiration, etc. These are all the examples of chemical reaction. In a chemical reaction, a new substance is formed which is completely different in properties from the original substance. For example, H2 plus Cl2 gives rise to 2HCl. That means H2 different, Cl2 different, HCl also different. So in a chemical reaction, a chemical change takes place. Only a rearrangement of atoms takes place in a chemical reaction. The substances which take part in a chemical reaction are called reactants, and the new substances produced as a result of a chemical reaction are called products. For example, H2 plus Cl2 gives rise to 2HCl. In this example, H2 and Cl2 are the reactants and HCl is the product. Then here also one best example is the burning of magnesium in the air to form magnesium oxide is an example of a chemical reaction. Mg solid plus O2 gas on applying heat gives rise to MgO. That means when a magnesium ribbon is burnt in the presence of air or oxygen, then magnesium oxide is obtained. Before burning in the air, the magnesium ribbon is cleaned by rubbing with sandpaper. This is done to remove the protective layer of basic magnesium carbonate from the surface of the magnesium ribbon. मैग्नीशियम रिबन के ऊपर जो बेसिक मैग्नीशियम कार्बोनेट रहता है वो इम्प्योरिटी है, तो उसको निकालते हैं. Then about reactant and product. Substances which take part in a chemical reaction are called reactants. In the above example, Mg and O2 are the reactants, and the product new substance formed after a chemical reaction is called a product. Here MgO is the product. Then we next go into the characteristics of chemical reaction. First, evolution of gas. The chemical reaction between zinc and dilute H2SO4 is characterized by the evolution of hydrogen gas. Here reaction is zinc solid plus H2SO4 aqueous. Aqueous means acid in water. Gives rise to zinc sulfate aqueous plus H2 gas. Here arrow mark, because it is a gas, H2 is a gas, so arrow mark it is indicated by an arrow mark. Then second, change in color. The chemical reaction between citric acid and purple colored potassium permanganate. Formula is KMnO4 for potassium permanganate. Remember, potassium permanganate color is purple color. Solution is characterized by a change in color from purple to colorless. जब रिएक्शन होता है साइट्रिक एसिड प्लस KMnO4, सो इसका कलर जो है पर्पल कलर, पोटेशियम परमानेंट कलर पर्पल कलर चेंज हो जाता है. दैट मीन्स फ्रॉम पर्पल टू कलरलेस. Another example is the chemical reaction between sulfur dioxide gas. Formula is SO2. SO2 gas and acidified potassium dichromate K2Cr2O7 solution. Acidified means K2Cr2O7 plus dilute H2SO4 or dilute HCl is characterized by a change in color from orange to green. इसका जो कलर होता है पोटेशियम डाइक्रोमेट कलर इज ऑरेंज कलर, जैसे पोटेशियम परमैंगनेट कलर इज पर्पल कलर, we say potassium dichromate color is green color. Here green color to orange color, orange color to green color को change होता है. Then third, change in state of substance. The combustion reaction of candle wax. Combustion means in any compound when bound in the presence of excess of air or oxygen is known as combustion reaction. The combustion reaction of candle wax is characterized by a change in state from solid to liquid and gas. Then IV, change in temperature. The chemical reaction between quicklime formula is CaO, calcium oxide, CaO, quicklime, and water, 2 from slaked lime. CaO here reaction is CaO plus water gives rise to CaOH whole 2, calcium oxide, calcium hydroxide, calcium CaOH whole 2, calcium hydroxide, 2 from slaked lime. Slaked lime means CaOH whole 2. Here reaction is CaO solid plus O2 gas gives rise to CaOH whole 2. Is characterized by a change in temperature. That means which is a rise in change in temperature. जब CaO प्लस वाटर कंबाइन होता है CH होल टू फॉर्मेशन होता है तो टेम्परेचर इंक्रीज्ड. द केमिकल रिएक्शन बिटवीन zinc and dilute H2SO4 is also characterized by a change in temperature, which is a rise in temperature. Then formation of a precipitate. The chemical reaction between sulfuric acid and barium chloride solution. Barium chloride BaCl2, formula is BaCl2 aqueous plus H2SO4 aqueous. So here mark BaSO4, what is the product? BaSO4 solid plus 2HCl aqueous. So ये जो BaSO4 है ये white precipitate formation, white precipitate क्या कर इस सबसे निकलता है BaSO4. Then next about chemical equation. Representation of chemical reaction using symbols and formula of the substances is called chemical reaction. Chemical equation. Example, A plus B gives rise to C plus D. In this equation, A and B are the reactants, C and D are the products. Arrow mark जो यहाँ पे है, arrow mark indicates that means or shows the direction of the chemical reaction. That means reactant gives rise to products. A plus B gives rise to C and D. Conditions if n is written generally above the arrow. Suppose टेम्परेचर 300 डिग्री सेल्सियस. सो उस हम लिखेंगे 300 के ऊपर में जब एरो मार्क होगा दैट मीन्स ऑन अप्लाइंग हीट. सो हियर इंडिकेटेड बाय ट्रायंगल सिंबल. ओके, इसके बारे में बाद में डिस्कशन करेंगे. देन व्हेन हाइड्रोजन गैस react with oxygen it gives water. This reaction can be represented by the following equation. Hydrogen plus oxygen gives rise to water. ये वर्ड में लिखा है हाइड्रोजन प्लस ऑक्सीजन वाटर. हाइड्रोजन फॉर्मूला इज H2, ऑक्सीजन फॉर्मूला इज O2, देन वाटर H2. Okay, so this is a chemical equation. Then a chemical equation can be divided into two types. First is balanced chemical equation. Second one is unbalanced chemical equation. Okay, then first we know about balanced chemical equation. A balanced chemical equation has the number of atoms of each element equal on both sides. Example, zinc plus H2SO4 gives rise to ZnSO4 plus H2. In this equation, number of zinc, hydrogen and sulfate are equal on both the sides. देखो Zn here 1, zinc Zn here 1, H2, H2, SO4 sulfate, here separate sulfate. On both the sides, that means all the components are equal. So it is a balanced chemical equation. Another simple example, you can take H2 plus Cl2 gives rise to 2HCl. So this is a balanced chemical equation. According to the law of conservation of mass, that is mass can neither be created nor destroyed in a chemical reaction. To obey this law, the total mass of elements present in reactants must be equal to the total mass of elements present in products. Then unbalanced chemical equation. If the number of atoms of each element in reactants is not equal to the number of atoms of each element